Okay, today we've got a sole edge repair. This one ran and crashed, and the fault was 3 level shifters and a bit of reflowing under that custom 384. Now this custom 384 will be the problem in future on these because it's near this sound section and these are starting to leak and we've got low audio, so it needs a recapping, maybe a new wheel. This is a good top board. I'm only interested in the bottom board. Okay. There you go, that's a default scoreboard as well. Now I was looking at this board, I want to dump the RAMs out of my Tekken boards. Because as you know, I've sped run that game a long time. So it looks like we're fucking with these on a Sunday evening. Yeah, and that's Soul Edge version 2, the version that's worth 45 quid and not 40. Yeah. Fucking idiot.